What is non-threaded fasteners? It used to fasten mating parts like drive shaft, preload bearings to lock nuts and bolts in position and secured. 8 broad categories of non-threaded fasteners. Rivets and blind fasteners, keys, pins, washers, snap rings, lock wires and adhesives. What types of rivet makes its own hole, therefore saving time by not having to drill holes? Self-piercing rivets. What type of rivet would you use if in a confined space and do not have access to the back of the workpiece? Blind rivets. What is the groove that is cut into the shaft for a key called? Key seat. When a key is fitted properly, how much clearance should there be between the key and the keyway? 0.002 inch to 0.005 inch clearance. Key are designed to transmit torque. What other two functions do they serve? 1. Weak link. 2. Positive timing. What is the taper per foot of a tapered gibet key? 1/8 inch taper per foot. What is the nominal diameter and width of the 1224 Woodruff keys? 12x1/32 width, 24x1/8 and 3/8 inch width, 3 inch diameter. What should the size of a square key be in relation of the shaft size? Shaft up to 6 inch key should be 1/4 inch diameter of shaft. What type of hubs can gibet keys not be used with? Do not use cast iron hubs. What is the purpose of a dowel pin? It helps to align parts during assembly. What type of dowel pin would you use when precise location is a requirement? Taper dowel pin. What provides a removable shoulder to locate components on a shaft or bores? Snap rings. What is the purpose of shear pins and how is the shear value determined? Shear pins are the weak link in the mechanism for safety purposes. It prevents overloads in drive mechanisms. The material and diameter of the shear pin help specify the shear value. What are the two main purposes of a flat washer? Flat washer distribute clamping pressure over large area and prevent marring. Lock wires are to prevent what? It's securing 2 or more bolts and stop moving. What is the difference between anaerobic and aerobic sealants? Anaerobic doesn't need air. Aerobic need air to form rubberized seal. What is the purpose of Belleville washer? The fastened parts are kept under spring tension at all times.